Hello everyone, I'm glad to see you on my YouTube channel dedicated to 2D and 3D animations and designs. Today I would like to share a tutorial how I turned this 2D flat suitcase into 3D version in Adobe Illustrator. In this tutorial, I will start from how I drew this suitcase from scratch. But feel free to skip this if you are not a beginner and go straight to the chapter where I'm doing all this 3D magic. Okay, let's start. First, open Adobe Illustrator and draw a rectangle using Rectangle tool. Make the corners rounded by dragging one of the corner points. Now I want to make my shape to look like a real suitcase. I go to the Effect menu, Warp, arc lower or upper one by one to set custom values for each of them. This is a great tool which allows to deform objects. To apply the warp, go to Object menu and select Expand Appearance. Now let's create a new layer and draw the handle. For this, I use a Rectangle tool as well. I turned off the solid color and left only a stroke, increased it to 11 points. So our handle is not filled with color. Adjust its position and increase the stroke with a bit more. Mind that I also adjusted cap and corner to make it smoother. Now I set anchor point in the middle of each horizontal line and delete the points. Now we have two vertical lines aligned perfectly. So keep on with drawing handle, but use solid color instead of stroke this time. Round corners. Apply arc lower for the base of the handle. And don't forget to expand the appearance again. Now copy the base rectangle and press Command F to paste it in place. And holding Alt button, scale the rectangle to the center. Play with colors and make a simple design with stripes on the yellow rectangle. Some final adjustments. And we have a 2D suitcase ready for further work. Now I want to turn my flat image to 3D. To do this, I select all objects and create a parent group for them by pressing Command G. Then select the base of suitcase, excluding handle, and open a 3D and Materials panel. If you don't have this panel on the right, go to Windows menu and find 3D and Materials there. Select Extrude option, which will create new geometry from our plane along one of the axes. Increase the depth of 3D figures so it looks like a real suitcase. You can play with bevel and other settings to make it prettier. It all depends on what you want to get. Now we can repeat the same steps for our handle and wheels. I do it one by one to avoid any unwilling results. The only thing that I do here is adjusting rotation of each wheel. Nothing more. Now let's adjust lighting. I switch to the Lighting tab, set intensity to 100%, light rotation to -8 degrees, 45 degrees for height, and 75 for light softness. I also added a shadow below my object. These settings are the ones that I liked most of all, but you can have different values. We came to the final step, rendering itself. Turn on ray tracing mode, set the high quality and click render. For the output image, I set my custom color and here's what I have. 3D tool is a bit limited with light and materials settings, but anyway, for simple 3D objects, this is a very powerful tool. Thank you everyone for watching this video to the end, and I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. Don't forget to give your thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.